Today I will learn 3 adjustment layer tips like color grading videos, group videos and transition effect. First I will create a adjustment layer. Adjustment layer means empty layer. Here you can create any effects to the adjustment layer and go to verticolors. Then turn on the auto tone and go to color rules and match. Here we can create a blue color tone effect. I'll choose the blue color in shadow. Here is the shadow volume. I'll increase and decrease the shadow. Then I'll choose the orange colors in highlight. And here is the volume of the highlight. This is what it looked like after painting, and this is what it looked like without painting. Then I will apply a crop effect in adjustment layer. Then I will apply top to your person and bottom to your person. See its cinematic look, which makes the video more beautiful. I will straighten the frame. After that, we will learn layer transition effect. I will cut the layer and shorten it. We will place the layer between the two videos. Then apply the hair remote effect. Go to effect control and animate the keyframe like this. Move the keyframe closer together so it comes out smoother. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.